Here I go, y'all. You know what time it is. It's your girl, Celeste Sauce Williams. I am going down here and report the outcome of yesterday, that snow blizzard that we had. It was unbelievable. It was like an all-day event. I was so tired of seeing the snow coming down. I finally fell asleep. Woke up this morning. Warm, and the hood is on. All right, people, we're going outside. Bismillah. Oh wow! Look at it today. I knew this stuff was gonna melt. I knew it was not gonna stay on for long. Look at my whole block there. Wow, it's clear, but we're gonna have a lot of water, and it'll be a big mess. There goes the Chelsea Public Works flower over there. I remember yesterday, I was like up in the snow like this. I was like, yeah. Yeah, but that's just the sidewalk. I mean, it's pretty much almost gone over here. I'm gonna walk to the corner and see how it looks up the street. But yeah, didn't really need a hat today. Wow, what a big difference from yesterday. See how Mother Nature works? It was calm before the storm. Then we had a storm. Now today is calm. And school's back tomorrow, I hope. I would be so happy if school is out tomorrow. Oh. It's kind of sunny, so I'm going to keep my shades on. My eyes are really sensitive to the sun. I don't know what it is. I always wind up getting watery eyes. They start running like crazy. Then you know, the mascara is all over the place. Oh wow. This is a street that I always come up when I'm recording, and it's kind of, the ground's kind of nice. Not too much snow. Yeah. Chelsea, Massachusetts. Another day in the life of the vlogger Celeste Sauce Williams reporting the weather. Now when we get over here, this is kind of a mess. I have to step into it. See down there? All that slushy stuff. But that's what's left over from this storm yesterday. And stuff dripping from the building, so I am gonna put my hood back on because we don't want that dripping all over my head. But yeah, that's what's going on. And as you can see, yesterday nobody was out here, but now we got the whole crew out here today. Out here doing what they usually do. Yeah, so this is my little walk that I take to report my weather report. I don't really have to go far because pretty much the city is cleaning up from the mess yesterday. But you still got your people out here doing crazy stuff. I went up to the corner there and I saw the people who are doing drugs. I turned back, going back towards my way now, because I mean, I don't mind if I film that part of what's going on in the city, but I have to respect people's privacy, so I wouldn't go over there and just be like, oh, I'm gonna put these crackheads on video. No, I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, everybody's out today, out of their house. They thought they was gonna be trapped there for a couple of days, but Mother Nature, you are so good. You're so good to us. God is so good to us. He gave us this beautiful day. We woke up this morning and we seen that the streets are cleared. Kind of. I mean, I don't know how driving is because I don't really drive that much. I'm a driver. I have a chauffeur. Yes. I have a chauffeur. Yeah, whenever I need to go somewhere, I just get a ride and I go. This is pretty much what's going on in my neighborhood today. I appreciate making these vlogs for you because every day is a different day. Every day is not the same, you know. Some days it's going to be cold. Some days it's going to be too hot. But you know, as humans, we're highly satisfied with what God usually gives us. But you should appreciate everything that He gives you, because just having a blessing is being able to talk to you. So YouTube, I've updated the weather conditions. Today is March 14th, 2018, and I'm reporting Chelsea, Massachusetts, after the blizzard, coming straight from me to you. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, please. I'll be making more videos if I get more subscribers. Thank you so much. Have a good day.